You guys want some jerky? I got enough for everybody. What a ripoff. He doesn't look anything like Val Kilmer. Oh baby, you got what I need. Hey, welcome back. This one's gonna be a little different. I've got a bike trip coming up, so today we're gonna hook the trailer up, get the bike loaded, and then tomorrow after work we're gonna head over and camp somewhere over there to have the bike there the next day for service. So stick around. Well, we're here. The sun is setting, and it's gonna be dark before long, and we'll get dinner started. We're gonna make breakfast tonight. We're having Brinner. Isn't that good? Just gonna do eggs and sausage and some onion. Maybe mix it all up. Who knows? Maybe make tacos or burrito or something like that. By the way, kids, if you want to know how to dice an onion, this is not it. So I grabbed the sausage, I got the eggs, brought some cheese, bought a couple tortillas. But here's the bad news. You're gonna have to sit down. If you're not sitting down, you should sit down. Bad news is I forgot the Cholula sauce. I know, I'm sorry. So breakfast won't be as good as it, or Brinner won't be as good as it should be. To make up for it, though, I snuck into Casey's and stole some of this. I don't know if you can see that. Casey's taco sauce. I don't know if it's any good or not, but it's what we got, so that's what we're going with. We're smoking the place out. That's not good. Quick, open the door. Got ourselves a natural disaster going on here. Coyotes are close. You hear them? Probably smell my dinner cooking. The sausage back in. We got good old farm eggs. This store-bought eggs for us. Camping like men. Taco sauce on here. You can see that. Dinner is served. Roll that up. Good morning. I got my coffee made and got the heater running in here a little bit this morning. It wasn't really cold out last night, but for some reason I got really cold in here. It just felt, I don't know, maybe it's humidity, it just felt cold. So I got it cranked up in here now. It's like 71 degrees in here. So sun's coming up, it's time to get our day started. Oh, come on. Well, it'd help if I'd unlock the damn truck. Chilly this morning. Had to pick the bumpiest place in the Loveliest place in the whole park to drive through. For free camping, it's not too bad. There's no water or electrical. The pads have all got picnic tables. Mine was like half a picnic table. And the spots have got gravel, but they're not level. I picked the best one I could find. The rest were pretty uneven. There's nobody fishing this one last night. Probably a reason for that. If I were a fisherman, like a professional YouTuber, I'd explain it to you, but I'm not. Okay, I can see why everybody was out here last night fishing. This is pretty nice. This end is definitely better taken care of than the other end. Stopped and bought more coffee. I know, I'm supposed to be camping and make my own coffee, but my favorite coffee is Love's convenience store coffee. Besides that, they have oatmeal cookie flavoring to go in it. So, my man, I gotta have oatmeal cookie flavoring in my coffee, right?
Nearly 500,000.
That, ladies and gentlemen, is Doc Holliday. No. I walked a whole block. It's not even open. I don't know if you can see that, but there's some cool stuff in there. Man, I really wanted to get in there and see that. Well, we'll have to come back. Well, we got the bike serviced. Got a little bit of a visit of Boothill Museum. I didn't want to show you too much because it's you got to pay to get in there. So if you ever have a chance and you're in Dodge City, make sure you go visit it. It's worth it. And had a great time camping. And I'm going to close this one out, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Oh baby, you got what I need. But you say just a friend. But you say just a friend. Baby, you got what I need. You say just a friend.